Butt Plug Episode 2 starting.
Butt Plug Part 2.
Part
Part
2
two.
of the Butt
The
Plug.
sequel everybody wanted.
Everybody
Sequel to
wants.
the hit video Butt Plug.
Yep. Sequel to the Butt Plug video.
Boys, I really want to get stoned. And
I mean,
I can't unless we're winning, bro. Come on. What are we doing?
oh, yeah.
Says
getting
on a
stressed
YouTube
out, dude.
video.
Who
I'm
gives a
get
shit?
stoned after this.
It's legal here in Colorado.
Yo, yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah, we're in Colorado.
I'm in Colorado. I don't know who the fuck you guys are at.
Oh shit! You see that? He was like dancing, bro. He was a bad little shoddy.
Bad little shawty trying to call me.
Jordan,
on
you
my
remember the
flip phone.
PS5? Remember the PS5, dude?
Yeah.
Right there.
Dude, you know, we're going PS5. We're going PS5.
You wanna go to the PS5?
It
We
used to be.
going air conditioning unit.
Used to be. No, we gotta
We
go to
going Dyson fan.
What about the
Oh,
butt
yeah, dude.
plug?
That's not a butt plug, dude.
No, we need to go to it. Look, it's over there. Gotta go over there next.
This is the TikTok symbol,
Oh yeah, it is.
which is switch. But the TikTok symbol is just a music note.
Oh look, it's not.
Calling it the
Look, it's
TikTok
white.
symbol.
It's white.
Could you imagine?
It's white. Gotta have both
And when
black.
you're in your music class, you're like, it's like TikTok.
Hit him for 50. Hit him for 50.
I hit that dude.
Oh, Jay, I have a bad day.
Damn it. Hit him for 44. He has no heat shield.
Oh, behind us, boys.
Damn it, Jordan. Oh, you got him. Okay, good. Watch that right side. Or I guess that left side.
On the outside. Fucking Christ.
Drew, you gotta run, Drew. Drew, run.
Gotta
Well,
We
guess we ain't
fall
gonna.
apart.
Guess
What's
we ain't
the
gonna have a
deal?
butt plug episode 2.
But like the sequel's canceled.
It's canceled.
We need to get a dub. Okay, all right.